it's Frenchie, and today we're going to be going over my current skincare routine. So first we're going to go ahead and get into our cleansing. This is going to be our first cleanse because I do like to double cleanse. Obviously, if you had on makeup, you would remove the makeup prior to doing this step. And this is a cream cleanser, so it does not foam up. This is really good for people with sensitive skin. I typically use a foamy cleanser, but I wanted something a little bit more gentle and a little bit more hydrating. So I'm just going in and removing that. Also, these products and steps change depending upon, what my skin needs at the time. I have the steam running, and it's still on right now, even though you can't really see it that well. I just turned the ozone off, and the ozone is what gives it that like smoky kind of look. I'm just gonna go in with my brush. It is mechanical, but it just moves so slow for me, so I just manually brush. And again, this is all a part of the second cleansing, and I always go in with the brush on the second cleanse. Now it's time for some extractions. After all that steam, skin is really soft and easier to extract. I really didn't have a whole lot to extract, so sorry in advance. Moisturize them lips. Go in with my toner, and I spray a generous amount of this because the product that I use after this dries really quickly, and I like that extra slip that the toner provides because it gives me more time to work in that product. And quick disclaimer, this product was sent to me, but this is my honest opinion. So I do like this product, okay, don't get me wrong, but it is a little bit on the expensive side. It's $52, that's US dollars, and I don't know if this is necessarily something I would spend $52 on, but it does give my skin a really soft and smooth feel to it. And it has really good ingredients. No synthetic dyes or fragrances. It's not tested on animals. It's paraben free. The formula is patented and it's manufactured in the US, California to be exact. And yeah, I have had some good results. I've been using it for about a month now. It says that you can either rinse it or let it dry. I like to let it dry and then remove the beads, as you see me doing now. Oops. And then after I let it dry and remove all the beads, I like to go back in with my toner. Let that dry. And then I'll go in with my aloe vera gel. And it absorbs really quickly. I really like this stuff. It's so liquidy. And I kind of just pat that in. Okay, so really quick, the toners are really good for protection, pH balance, moisture, just to name a few things. And the aloe vera, I'm using it to help with some hyperpigmentation I have. But as you know, aloe vera has many benefits. So I'm going to use a little sheet mask, which I got from one of my Ipsy bags. I have a bunch of these things, and I'm trying to get rid of them. So yeah, this is not something that I would do every day. But it's been a minute. Yeah, that bad boy was cold. I like to put them in the fridge. And then you just want to get all that. Girl, get your money's worth. Squeeze all that out, hunty, okay? No one gets left behind. And then you just want to get your neck and your décolleté, your chest area. You can let it sit for 10 minutes or longer. I prefer longer. I would let it sit until it dries. This is after the fact. And the remaining bits I'm just gonna rub in. And this is a good time to give yourself a little facial massage. It's really relaxing and it's good too. Another thing I got from my Ipsy bag, it's really a serum, but I like to use it as a moisturizer when I'm looking for something a little bit more light. I got it from one of my Ipsy bags from last summer. I love it. And it came with a little happy dance. This is just some lash serum. I'm putting it on my brows as well. And then that's the moisturizer that also came with the serum. I didn't apply it, but I was just wanting to show you guys that's what I would do if I wanted something heavier. If I weren't going to bed after this, I would have applied sunscreen because sunscreen is key. Make sure you guys are incorporating that in your daily regimen, okay? It's important, all right? But thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.